VRED 2021 we added the option to export a VRED Go executable. Just go to File, Publish VRED Go. Here you can select if you want to use it for VR instantly or in desktop mode, set the resolution of the render window and set a password with expiring date. The VRED Go executable will contain the current VRED scene plus some parts of the VRED engine. HTML overlays will need to be on the same path, or the complete code has to be inlined into the HTML editor. After the file is created, you can open the VRED Go file on a different system and explore the scene there. This is very helpful, for example, when doing a presentation on a system where no VRED is installed, as the VRED Go file does not need any license. Thanks for watching the video.